How to block someone in a Facebook group. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open Facebook on your device, and now on the left side panel you will see the option for groups. Just in case if you don't see the option for groups, tap on the see more option and you will see the option for groups. Tap on that, and now in the interface that you will be led to, go ahead and tap on the group from where you want to block someone. Now, once you have opened the group, scroll through the post and then tap on the person or the individual that you want to block. Once their profile opens, tap on the three dots you see there and you will see the option for block. In the confirmation that appears, tap on the confirm button you see there, and with this, that particular person will be blocked. So, this is how you can block someone in a Facebook group. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.